Hey YouTube, welcome to another unboxing. This is the iPad Pro 12.9 inch and this was all sold out, so it was just delivered today. We got this one in space gray Wi-Fi edition. It's a grand, it's 999 bucks. So let's dive in. Ta-da! All right, looks nice. So let's dive in. I know they provide you with the tabs, but I need to use this. Right off the bat, I notice a thinner packaging. Let's see. Come on now. Whoa, this is thin. Looks amazing. Feels great too. Can you hear it? Oh yeah. Look at that. All right, let's set this aside for 2 seconds. See what we get with it. Paperwork, fast charger, USB-C to USB-C. That's what you're dealing with. Alrighty. Well, let's fire it up. There's the power button. Oh, there you go. It's alive! Looks nice. All right. Hello.